Hi, this is Shahriar Kabir from Clean Code. Today I will show you how you can add a simple terms and condition checkbox above the total price without any app, of course. So to do that, we will follow a blog tutorial from our website. So if you go to the blog section and go into this first blog post, then we are using the Dawn theme, but the overall process should be exactly same. We are going to copy the first code here and main cart footer liquid. Okay, we will, it's already opened. You should find this file under sections, then the main cart footer. Okay, we let's let's paste it here, then format and save. We are done, I believe. So refresh it. Yeah, this is working perfectly fine, but there is a simple problem. Still, if your customers don't check this box, they still can go to the checkout page. Let's try it. See, but it should not be like this, right? So let's go back to the blog tutorial. There is another JavaScript code we can copy, then add it at the bottom of this file. There is already a script, we can add another script here and save it. Then refresh. It's not working. Yeah, you noticed the checkout button is disabled now because you did not check it yet. So let's check it, and you see the button is active. If you uncheck it, it's not active. So this is it. I hope this is very helpful for you and for your business. Thank you.